Hi everyone, it's Dr. Janine here. I hope you're having a great day. I know the holidays are coming up and many of you, like me, are super busy on your feet, moving around, and you know what that means, lots more aches and pains. So today I wanted to share something with you that I've been using that has been a total game changer in how I feel in my recovery. This is the Nobol PhysioFlex cordless knee massager. This is what you want if you're on your feet a lot to help with aches and pains and recovery. Let's take a closer look. There are 3 vibration levels, low, medium, and high. So you can choose the intensity that feels right for you. I like starting in low and working my way up after a long day or workout. It also has 3 heat settings, 113 degrees, 122 degrees, and 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Just enough warmth to ease stiffness and boost circulation. A little variation in temperature is totally normal, and honestly, it feels amazing. When it needs charging, just plug in the included cable. You'll see the indicator light flash while it's charging, and it's fully ready to go in about 2.5 hours. The cordless design means you can move freely. No tangled wires, no hassle. So it's super easy to use. This is what it looks like close up. There's a power button in the middle, and I'll turn it on in a minute, but all you need to do is quickly tap it, and it's going to switch between infrared and laser mode. And you'll be able to see right here on the panel which is which and what you're using. So we're gonna turn it on, and you can see it's going on right now. You hear it. And then when I make a quick little tap, it's going to switch to the red light. And you can see right there, and you can feel the vibration changes. So I just want to show you what the inside looks like. It has some pads and it's very, very comfortable. I think that's important for you to see because you obviously want to be comfortable while you're wearing it. And then there are these adjustable Velcro straps which support people of all sizes. I'm very tiny, so I have it at the tightest level, but it obviously fits for people who are larger than me. And then what's also really cool is I'm going to turn it on for a second because I want you to see the infrared light in the inside. Can you see that? So that's what's penetrating, and that's what's working the magic. I think this is so innovative and so helpful. I do want to mention that with the holidays approaching, this would make a perfect gift, especially for seniors who want to stay active and independent. I'm gonna get my mom one. Don't tell her if you see this video, but this is a great gift for everybody, and right now is a wonderful time to take advantage and purchase one. And remember, this is just for the knees, so it should not be used on the elbows or shoulders. That's very important. So guys, if this is something that you feel you'd benefit from, you wanna treat yourself, or somebody on your holiday gift list, now is a perfect time to take advantage of Nobol's Black Friday sales. They are running from November 17th all the way through November 27th. I will go ahead and I will put a link in my description so you can check it out. If you have any questions, please let me know, and also feel free to share the video with somebody you feel would benefit from this. I wish you all a wonderful holiday season. Be strong, feel good on your feet, and I'll see you all soon.